Hey everyone, welcome back to Event Trends by Eventify. I'm your host, Kevin Rosenquist, and today we're talking about something that can make or break your event. Matchmaking. Picture this. You host an incredible event. Great speakers, amazing venue, solid turnout. But networking? It just doesn't happen. People wander around awkwardly, exchange a few business cards, and they leave wondering if it was even worth the trip. And that's a problem. Because here's the thing. People don't come to events for the free coffee. They come to make connections. And here's the stat that matters. 52% of B2B event organizers now say matchmaking is critical to their success. Not nice to have, critical. And I get it, because the alternative is basically speed dating at a trade show, except everyone's pretending to look at brochures instead of making eye contact. So today, I'm breaking down 15 proven tips to make matchmaking actually work at your events. Let's dive in. Okay, first things first. Why does matchmaking matter so much? So here's the honest truth. Events are expensive for everyone. Attendees are paying for tickets, travel, hotels. Exhibitors are dropping thousands on booth space. Sponsors are writing big checks. And everybody, I mean everybody, is asking the same question. What's my ROI? Matchmaking answers that question. Think about the last conference you went to. Maybe there were 800 people there. You probably wanted to meet, I don't know, maybe 20 specific people. How many did you actually connect with? 5? 3? One person you awkwardly cornered by the coffee station? Good matchmaking does two beautiful things. Helps attendees find the right people before the event even starts, and gives exhibitors and sponsors actual qualified leads instead of just whoever happened to walk by. And here's the kicker. When people get value from your event, guess what? They come back. They bring their colleagues. You know, that magical thing where you don't have to beg people to register because they actually want to be there. Plus, let's be real, conferences can be overwhelming. Sessions to attend, people to meet, panels to catch, emails to check, lunch to grab. It's a lot for everyone. Matchmaking cuts through that chaos. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool, but my event isn't some massive tech conference with 5,000 people. Well, I've got good news. Matchmaking isn't just for the big dogs. It works brilliantly at startup pitch events, career fairs and recruiting, investor meetups, industry trade shows, those public-private sector networking things. Yes, even the boring ones. Basically, if your event has people who need to connect with other specific people for specific reasons, matchmaking helps. Recruiter looking for niche candidates? Matchmaking. Startup founder hunting for investors? Matchmaking. Exhibitor who only wants procurement managers, not free candy hunters? Definitely matchmaking. All right, so let's get into the good stuff then. 15 tips that actually work. Tip number 1, timing is everything. Launch 2 to 4 weeks before your event. Not earlier, people aren't engaged yet. And not later, there's no time to make connections. And here's a sneaky psychological trick. Add a countdown timer. Only 9 days left to connect. This creates urgency. People respond to deadlines, even artificial ones. Tip number 2, early bird gets the matches. Use early bird pricing to get people onto your platform sooner. Because matchmaking is like a party. Nobody wants to be the first one there. But once a few people start to show up, suddenly everybody wants in. It's the snowball effect. At number 3, active registration, not zombie profiles. Oh man, this one's huge. Don't just auto-create profiles and hope people use them. You need push notifications, profile completion reminders, enticing messages like, see who wants to meet you, because a platform full of empty profiles is worse than no platform at all. It's just sort of sad. Tip number 4, keep them coming back. Send personalized nudges. 3 new people who match your interests just registered. A session on AI just got added that aligns with your profile. These little messages keep people engaged. It's not spam if it's actually relevant and helpful. That's just good communication. Number 5, smart sponsorship messages. Use the data you're collecting intelligently. International attendee, tell them about the airport shuttle. C-suite exec, mention the VIP lounge. Sustainability enthusiast, show them your eco-friendly sponsor. Targeted messaging feels helpful. Generic blasts feel like spam. At number 6, email campaigns that don't suck. Here's the thing. Everybody does email campaigns, and most of them are terrible. What's the fix? Segment your audience. Personalize. Use your actual name. Reference their interests. Guide them towards specific matchmaking features and make your emails something people actually want to open. Revolutionary concept, I know, but it works. At number 7, keep registration simple. Please, I'm begging you, don't ask for someone's entire life story on the registration form. Round 1 needs the basics: name, email, job title, company. That's it. You can collect detailed matchmaking info later, after they're committed. Because here's what happens with long forms. People abandon them, or they lie just to get through it faster, and neither outcome is going to help you at all. Tip number 8, one platform to rule them all. Do not, and I cannot stress this enough, do not use separate platforms for registration, CRM, email marketing, matchmaking, and reporting. That's not a tech stack. That's a nightmare. Data doesn't transfer cleanly, things break. You spend more time managing platforms than planning your actual event. Find one comprehensive platform that does it all. Your future will thank you. Number 9, pre-fill what you can. If somebody already gave you their information during registration, don't make them type it again for matchmaking. Just don't do that. It's annoying. Export the data. Pre-fill the forms. Make it seamless. Every extra field is another chance they say, maybe later, and then never come back. All right, we're at number 10, real-time everything. Enable instant notifications. When somebody messages you, you should know immediately. When a meeting request comes in, ping. We're all addicted to our phones anyway, let's be honest. Might as well use that to your advantage. That little notification buzz, that's engagement, baby. Number 11, automate the awkward. Let your system automatically suggest connections and send meeting invitation. It takes all the awkwardness out of cold outreach. Plus, it handles those pesky time zones automatically, which honestly is worth the price of admission alone. No more, wait, 3 p.m. your time or my time? That's confusing. The robots handle it. At number 12, it's a two-way street. Don't just ask attendees who they want to meet. Ask your exhibitors and sponsors who their ideal customer is. What industries? What kind of job titles? What pain points? The more you understand both sides, the better matches you can create. Matchmaking isn't just Tinder for trade shows. It's strategic business development. Tip number 13, in-app messaging is non-negotiable. People need to message each other directly in the platform. No digging through business cards or, wait, what was their email again? Quick questions, schedule changes, follow-ups, all should happen in one place. Make it easy or people just won't do it. Number 14, personal schedules at a glance. Everyone should be able to pull up their calendar and see exactly who they're meeting, when, and where. Bonus feature, let people add private notes after meetings. Follow up about their Q3 budget or send case study on Tuesday, whatever helps them remember. Because after meeting 15 people in one day, everything sort of blurs together. And finally, number 15, pre-event connections are gold. This might be the most powerful tip of all. Let people connect before they arrive. They can chat online, schedule meetings, get excited about who they're going to meet. By the time they show up, they're not starting from zero. They've got meetings booked, conversations started, momentum built. It transforms the event experience from, I hope I meet someone useful, to, I can't wait to finally meet these people in person. Okay, so I've been talking about all these best practices, and you might be wondering, that's cool, but how do I actually do this? Well, let me tell you how we built Eventify to solve exactly these problems. Our matchmaking platform is built around one core idea: intelligent connections that actually mean something. They're not random, not spray and pray, strategic. And here's how it works. The first step, attendees select up to 20 interest tags during registration, like event tech, hybrid strategies, sponsorship sales, whatever's relevant to their industry. Step 2, our AI matchmaking algorithm analyzes profiles and creates match scores. In step 3, attendees see their top matches first. This person is a 94% match for you. This one's 87. This one's 32%. Maybe skip that one. Instead of scrolling through 500 random attendees, you get curated connections, like those personality quizzes, except actually useful for business. The interface is super intuitive. Think professional networking meets modern app design. Swipe through matches, see detailed profiles, instantly connect. Works seamlessly on web and mobile. And everything we talked about today? The pre-event messaging, the automated suggestions, the personal schedules, the in-app chat, the smart notifications, it's all built into one platform. No Frankenstein tech stack, no integrations that break at 2 a.m. the day before your event, Just one clean system that handles everything from registration to post-event follow-up. We've watched events use this to completely transform their attendee experience. People show up with meetings already scheduled. Exhibitors get qualified leads instead of tire kickers. Sponsors can actually prove ROI instead of just guessing. And honestly, that's what makes this job fun. Building tech that actually helps people make real connections. All right, so let's wrap this up. We've moved way past the era of hoping networking just happens at your event. Today's attendees are busy, they're strategic, they want to maximize every minute. And honestly, they're paying good money to be there. You owe them more than just good luck, here's a name tag. Remember, matchmaking isn't revolutionary anymore. It's expected. It's table stakes for any serious professional event. But like any tool, it only works if you use it right. 3 things to remember. Start early, give people time to connect. Keep it simple, don't overwhelm them. And stay engaged. Remind them why this matters. If you do this well, you'll see your retention rates climb. Your exhibitors will be super happy, your sponsors will come back, and your attendees, they'll tell their colleagues, you have to go to this event. I made the most valuable connections of the year. That's the goal. That's what we're building toward. If you want to see how Eventify can help you create these kind of experiences, check us out at eventify.io. We genuinely love to show you what's possible. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Event Trends by Eventify. I'll catch you next time.